Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Pooja Jha and I am a legal intern at Lexis & Company for the month of July. Today I am going to continue with the rights that are available to women of our country that I discussed in my previous video. Women in our country have the right to keep their identity anonymous. Female sexual assault victims who do not want to disclose their identity can keep their identity anonymous to ensure her privacy. That her privacy is protected, she needs to record her statement alone before the district magistrate when the case is under trial or in the presence of a female police officer. Any medical examination procedure that is needed to be conducted on such women should be conducted in presence of another woman only. Every woman in the country has the right against domestic violence. Section 498 of IPC looks to protect a woman, be she a wife, female live-in partner, or any other woman living in the household, from any kind of domestic violence, be it verbal, physical, economic, emotional, or sexual, that she is being subjected to by her husband, male live-in partner, or any other relative. Next one is a very important one. It is the right against sexual harassment at workplace. The Sexual Harassment Act of a Woman at Workplace Act gives a woman a right to be protected against the sexual harassment that she is being subjected to at her workplace. She can submit a written complaint to the internal complaint committee of that organization within 3 months from the date of the incident. So every woman in the country has a right to draw equal remuneration. So according to the provision in Equal Remuneration Act, it is prohibited to discriminate on the basis of gender when it comes to payment of salary. Every working woman in the country has a right to draw equal amount of salary as compared to men working with them. Every woman of the country has a right against indecent representation. Any kind of depiction of indecent form is a punishable offense. Depiction of a woman's figure, her form, or any of her body part in any manner that is indecent, derogatory, or is likely to deprave, corrupt, or injure the reputation of that woman and public morality as well is a punishable offense. Under the Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act, it is prohibited to use indecency against any woman for any kind of advertisement, writing, or any kind of publications. So the Government of India has also constituted a body called National Commission for Women under the National Commission for Women Act to represent the women of our country and to ensure that the welfare of women is guaranteed. The body represents the rights of Indian women and gives a voice to the voiceless and underprivileged women. So as a citizen, especially a woman who is vulnerable to numerous kind of crimes even today, it is important for us to know our rights and to exercise them, as they are there to empower us to fight injustice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such contents.